What is poppin'? Big boy RT back in the cut with another video. You feel me? Passenger seat rolling out here in the country. My boy Jordan, you feel me? On the way to pick up a part. If y'all know, I said that I was gonna be getting that diff very soon, so I found it. Not paying no $2,600 for no differential. That cap, you feel me? Got it for a good old steal. Meeting the guy right now, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna show y'all the differential and everything. I got the axles, got a huge steal for $800. So in reality, I'm saving like $2,100 because you already know if I got it online, gotta pay for some shipping and all of that. So it's a huge deal. Had to drive like 2.5 hours. Not that bad, but man, y'all stay tuned. I'm like about like 40 minutes away. So I'll pick up the camera once I get there and everything and show y'all the differential. Big boy RT, yes sir. Sounds good. Made it to the gas station, getting the differential and the axles. Only thing, got a little problem, little oil came out, but it's not a big deal, you feel me? But everything's still pretty, should be fine. Feel me? Got that 391, you see it? Gonna get into my homie's car. We came out here in a Mustang, super small car, you feel me? So, hopefully everything fits well. Hopefully I'll be taking it to the shop to get installed this week for my guy Cannon Automotive. Y'all make sure y'all stay in tune with my guy. He definitely hook you up. He do alignments, everything, struts, everything. Y'all stay in tune with him. But I'm gonna shoot the next clip when we get back. Y'all see it, man. Get ready. Bunch of oil spilled out of the diff. The diff still had oil in it. I ain't really tripping. As long as the stuff works, you feel me? If it don't work, man, I didn't get got by Facebook Market. Never working with it again. But hopefully, man, everything works together. I got a couple bolts. I don't know if I got the exact mounting bolt. I probably still gotta go buy that. Gotta get more fluid for it and get it installed, and that should be it. Man, y'all stay tuned, man. This wasn't nothing too crazy of a video, just wanted to show y'all picking up the diff part 1. Definitely gonna show y'all the install and all of that. And once I get the diff, definitely gonna hop in the pit, probably go to the track and hop in that pit, see what I could do. Or maybe I might just hit the back roads, you never know. Just stay tuned for real. I'm trying to post more consistent. So y'all stay tuned with me. Drop a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, all that, share with your homies and all of that. I'm out, Big Boy RT. Yes, sir. What is poppin', man? We done made it back. Appreciate my boy. Go. What's your Instagram now, boy? This man don't got no Instagram now, but y'all already know. Y'all see him in the videos. But man, we back out here. Got the differential in the whip, secure. Waiting for my boy to hit me back. Y'all feel me? Big 391. I'm telling you, it was just like a lot of oil, so we had to deal with that. Cause like, I guess the dude didn't drain it before he gave it to me. So, but a little something for a big comeback, you feel me? It's all Gucci. Got that squared away. Hopefully, I'm planning on getting this in by like hopefully next week, possibly, or the end of this week. So you already know. As soon as I get that thing installed, we at the track with it for sure. But man, yes sir, Big Boy RT back at it. A couple days later. You feel me? Big diff running around in the car. Y'all see it. Hopefully everything worked. I got the axles up in here. yeah, this is the diff right here. Spilled some oil, so hopefully it's not leaking all over in my trunk. But I'm supposed to go to my boy at Cannon Automotive on Thursday and get this installed. I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna go this week. I'm gonna wait till next week because I'm supposed to be. I had to get a transmission tune on here, so I'm not trying to just have the car sitting for a week because this is my only car right now. So that'd be pretty dry. I mean, talking about Uber everywhere, no. But hopefully I'm gonna get everything squared away by next week, and I'm not gonna be popping out to no pit, nothing like that. I'm gonna hit some back roads, get used to it and all of that. I want to see how it actually feels off the line too, like from a dig. So you already know we're gonna get that video content. But yeah, I'm gonna take it to Pit Performance. They gave me a solid. I'm not exactly sure if I want to go with the whole tune or just the transmission tune. I'm still debating on that. I'll know by the time I take it in. But yeah, I'm gonna take it to Pit Performance. I did a little research on them there in the west suburbs, so I'm gonna try to work with them. Hopefully they do some good work. I don't know if I'll be able to record in there, but I'll try to for sure. But just wanted to give y'all a little update of the car and the differential. Still here, you feel me? Hopefully everything worked. Dropped 800 on here, but I definitely saved a lot of money, even though that was $800, because like I said, it was like $2,900 on the website that I was gonna deliver it. The website I was gonna have it delivered through, and like the website is basically listed at for $2,900, and yeah, so I was gonna say that shit, but I'm not. Like, it's definitely a good old save. Gotta check the Facebook market for sure, man. Definitely, man. They definitely hit you with some decent ass deals. If you had just gotta find the right people, go with somebody. Don't be stupid, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna get that done next week. So to then, man, Big Boy RT out. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Share with a friend, all of that. I'm gonna have my homie T-Dirt shoot me an intro of the whip when we hit 250 subs. So man, y'all stay tuned for that. We approaching that very soon. So you already know. Summer 22 already looking pretty slight already. I wish we would have been able to do it this summer, but everything got a plan. You feel me? But Big Boy RT out.